Are you looking for how to bring out the true version of yourself? Do you want to showcase your skills? Showcase it to the whole world of what you can actually do in the online space? Are you a lover of tech? Do you wish to know more in tech skills? Welcome you aboard, and get this right, this is solely for you. Welcome you. Are you interested in becoming a web designer? A top-notch web designer? Do you wish to become a full blogger? You want to know how you can develop and design a blog and also monetize this same blog that will earn you in dollars? Welcome you to KC Web Tech Center, where you will learn all these from. At KC Web Center, you will learn how to design a website, design how to monetize your blogs, and how to create your content into these blogs, and how to get your blog be approved and start making your money in dollar. If you are interested, we don't just take this alone. We are in diverse fields, but this solely is for those who are interested in becoming a top-notch web designer and also a blogger. Get us a notification now. You will get our numbers below these videos. Send us a message on how you want to create your journey into becoming a top-notch web designer and a full blogger that will monetize all these in one and give you in dollars that you wish, and bring that version of yourself into the system so that persons will see that you actually is doing well. If you're a web designer already and you want to know more about all this, you want to get more insights and be fully loaded, send us a DM and come to us at KC Web Tech Center. We will be glad in bringing this to you. We will be glad in mentoring you into the full package of a web designer and also as a blogger. Get in touch with us now. See you there in our DM. Thank you for listening to us. We wish you success. We wish you abundance. Not just all. We wish you that which you wish yourself. KC Web Center, we love you, we cherish you, and we wish you success at your endeavors. Bye for now.